Hello everyone, my name is Lightning Gameroid, and today I went to Target and I found a full case of Roblox Action Series 10, but I only took 12 from the bottom. Because last time I took 12 from the bottom, I completed the series. And yes, this was with Celebrity Series 8. So today we are going to be playing Seconds Till Death. And yes, I did check. I did a test video earlier to make sure my audio is on. Well, my microphone, I meant. Yeah, my microphone is on, so you should be able to hear me. So I have 12 boxes, but I'm going to be splitting this into 2 different videos. So I'm going to be playing Seconds Till Death in this video, and then my next video I'm going to be playing Super Doomspire. And I'm going to open 6 boxes in this video. We're going to open 2 of these right now. And by the way, we have a different manufacturing date than the one in my live stream. We have 8/03/21, well 08/03/21. My live stream we had 07/05. But anyway, the box letter method should still work, but the letters are going to be different. Yeah, hopefully this time I can actually be able to do a video like this. Because the first time I tried this, my microphone was not on, so I had to do a voiceover, which really ruined the video. And the second time, I was supposed to open 12 boxes, but I only had to open 3. I mean, still ended on a high note. Anyway, we're going to get into it. So this is an X. Alright. Ooh, I think we got a new one. Well, first of all, I don't even remember what I got. Okay, so who we got here is Site 76 Dr. Bright. Right here. Okay, for one, like, I really wish they wouldn't package these where the legs are actually separated from the knobs where the legs are supposed to go. It's had a hard time actually trying to get these legs together. So yeah, next series, please do not package these figures like that anymore. Anyway, yeah, this is a new one. We didn't get him in my live stream. This is Site 76 Dr. Bright. And he comes with a clipboard. Dr. Bright's necklace. Alright. So, we came out of an X on the back side, R on the front side. We're going to open one more and we'll get to the game. This is an L, so it's going to be something new. I'm filming this using the OBS. So, ooh, let's go. We got another new one. We got Survive the Killer Pepperoni. Okay, so what I was mentioning earlier. See these legs? This is how legs are supposed to come out. Like, they don't have to be attached to the body already, but I would like both legs to be attached to this. And I would like this to actually snap on. It did snap on. So here he is, Pepperoni. I have actually played Survive the Killer. You basically go around, you collect a bunch of items, and you have to avoid the killer. As far as I know, Pepperoni here is like a killer that you can play as, but you have to pay Robux to get him. This. Pepperoni Shoulder Pal. Alright. And now my Roblox figure Dex comes to a grand total of 888. Yep, all three eights. 888 of 910. Alright, let's play Seconds Till Death. Alright, so I am filming this without a microphone, so hopefully you can hear me well. I'm going to try and speak as loud as I possibly can. My parents aren't home right now, so I can speak as loud as I want. Well, I'm inside a house, so hopefully my neighbors can't hear me talk that loud. I have talked that loud before, and we never got any noise complaints. Okay, so this is where I stand in this game thus far. I have 252 wins, and this diamond next to my name states that, yeah, I do have the premium version of this. So I have access to... Okay, I can't show you right now. Begin! Alright, oh, no. Okay, I died. Well, my game was lagging. Alright, I'm going to show you. If you have VIP, you get access to this area. You can collect all these coins, and there's a ladder right here. Goat RBX on YouTube. And yes, I am actually friends with Goat RBX on Twitter. And what do I mean by friends? Well, I follow him and he follows me. I'm also friends with, on Twitter, I am friends with Escape Room developer Seymour Hearts and Ghost Simulators developer Coven K. And we got a costume round. I'm a panini. Alright. Yeah, before we had another game mode where you basically have to get 12 kills to win, but it was reduced down to 7. Begin! I was actually pretty good at that one. Ooh, can I get... Okay. Whoa. Is my face too close to the screen? If so, I don't care. Alright. I got most kills. Non-tilted O. So it's going to be someone else. I have 12 boxes, but we're opening 6 this video. So this is the 3rd box. Let's see who we get. Cut Purse's belt. This is the Kingdom Simulator Rogue. Begin! We already have this one. Ooh. Also, it's another costume round and I'm a sandwich. I died. This is another non-tilted O. We're probably getting another Kingdom Simulator Rogue. Nope, Spike Club. Is this one new? I think I know who this is. Kingdom Simulator Cut Purse. We don't have him yet. Well, first of all, I'm dead. I don't know why. It sounds like my thing's going down even further. Anyway. Wait, hold on. This goes on this shoulder. Here he is. Kingdom Simulator Cut Purse. Yeah, my screen is in the bottom left corner. Spike Club. This thing. That means we have 3 left. 3 left. I was hoping I would get at least one new one. I think this game is taking its sweet time. So if it looks like I have hiccups, I kinda have hiccups. So I guess I'm just gonna wander around. I could open another box, but I'll wait. I'll do one more round. Okay, there we go. I guess I'm just going to not bother. No, let's open a box. Yeah, let's go for this one. See what we get. We got a lame one. Yeah, I'm in here because I have premium. Ooh, let's go. I died. Hopefully I can win one round. You know what? Let's open an R box. We got the Tower Defense Simulator Necromancer boss. We already have him. Alright, let's unspectate. We'll open another crate. We got an uncommon. Last one alive wins.
Begin.
Let's go. All right. How did I still die? When clearly it looked like I beat you. I got most kills. No, we're gonna wrap it up right here. So anyway, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. We're gonna open a non-tilted O. Probably gonna be a duplicate, but you never know. Except it might be. Whoa. I was trying to set it down, not drop it. We got another one of him. But that's okay, because we got 3 new ones, so now I am at 21 out of 24. So right here, we're going to take a look at this. The ones that I'm missing now are Time Clash Medieval Warhammer, Tower Defense Simulator Templar, and Trade Lands Pushover Merchant. Then after that is just those 4 core packs that I'm still looking out for, and I'll have a complete Series 10. Now it's just up to Celebrity Series 8. I still need to find the last 2 Imagination Series figures, and I still need the Roblox Advent Calendar. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, show us love and support. But if you don't like this video, then hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.